Here, potentially, you have this device that you go in, it looks like a vacuum cleaner, and you disinfect the fabric, the seat, the floor, everything.
We would like to see it as a means to just decontaminate wherever you need.
U of M professors John Foster and Mirko Gamba are engineering a rapid disinfecting process for hospital surfaces through plasma treatment.
The process is called advanced oxidation. Plasma cracks the air and makes it into all these reactive oxygen species, and those things rapidly attack. They basically oxidize anything organic. The reactivity in that fluid gas is so highly reactive, you need only seconds of contact between plasma and the surface.
Initial results have been promising, and Foster and Gamba hope that the portability and scalability of the process will enable future use in hospitals and beyond with a wand-like device.
As engineers, we do want to make that impact to help society, and this is an opportunity where we may be able to provide something to help future generations.